Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can transfer crypto from Trustwallet to Binance. So Trustwallet is an app which is on your phone and it looks just like this where it says Trustwallet on mine. You can download it from Play Store. So in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer your crypto from Trustwallet to Binance. And before I show you the way, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel if you guys are new to this channel. And yeah, if you guys want to get $10 bonus for signing up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link down in the description. If you use that link, you guys can get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. So do that to get a free $10 bonus, and let's start the video. To transfer your crypto from Trustwallet to Binance, first you want to go to Binance. So once you're on Binance, you log in into your account and stuff. And after you log in into your account, you're going to come to this interface. Now once you're in this interface, you want to go to where it says wallets. You want to go on wallets. And once you're in your wallet, you want to go on where it says spot on top. Go on spot. Now over here, you want to search the coin which you want to, transfer from Trustwallet to Binance. So I'm going to transfer Bitcoin. So I'm going to write BTC. Over here, Bitcoin. Once I'm in Bitcoin, I want to choose where it says deposit. Click on deposit. Once I click on deposit, I want to choose which type of Bitcoin I want to transfer to. Is it to BEP2 or to other stuff? You need to check which kind of Bitcoin you want to transfer, right? Like through which kind of these. So if you're confused or mistaken one of those and send it to the wrong address, then your Bitcoin is lost. So just remember that, all right? So check what Bitcoin you're sending. So once you're over here, you click on where it says address NG wallet. You want to copy this address. After you copy this address, you want to go back, open your Trust Wallet. Once you're in your Trust Wallet, you want to go on your coin which you want to transfer, which is Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin. And once you're in the coin which you want to transfer, you want to click on where it says send. Once you're on your send, you want to, enter the address which you just copied from Binance over here and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. And after entering the amount, you want to click on continue. Then this amount of Bitcoin will be sent to the wallet address of your Binance, which is your Binance account. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can send, crypto from Trustwallet to Binance. As I told you, you need to be careful on which one you choose over here on BTC, BEP or the other one, because your address is different according to the different one, all right? So if you send it to the wrong one, then your crypto is lost. So make sure to check which coin you are sending, all right? And you cannot send Ethereum on Bitcoin address or Ethereum will be lost. You want to send Ethereum to Ethereum address, Bitcoin to Bitcoin address, Cardano to Cardano address, all right? So keep that in mind. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can transfer crypto from Trustwallet to Binance. So if you guys found this video helpful, then you guys can hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. And if you guys want to get $10 bonus for signing up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link down in the description. And I will see you guys another time. Bye bye.